From high quality bar?
Yes.
Ah, she say to you go to the bar, high quality, yes? But why you not ask phone number?
I
She don't want give.
Yes. She tell me, you go to the bar and tell with a manager.
Yes, and pay double price.
Yes, triple. Quadruple.
Yes. Because she worry about her manager. Need support manager, not only her family. No, it's okay. If she don't want, don't want. No, of course, managers also want money. Avis don't like?
Що таке?
Leon, right?
Yes.
It's my life Philippines.
Yes, yes.
So what are you doing here?
Yeah, and my friend people's asking talk with girls. Right now. Ask number.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I see. Oh, I'm coffee and cigarettes. One of
Ah,
our
you
subscriber.
coffee and cigarettes.
Uh-huh. From Singapore.
Singapore. How long time you already here?
A week?
1 week.
1 week.
No, it's good now. Or
Yeah,
no?
no, it's crowded like last
So
time.
many new girls, yes?
Oh, new girls, I don't know. My girlfriend is sleeping.
You understand. You just only walk, take a look, yes?
No, I am hungry. So I just go have a meal and walking back.
Good.
So they give the numbers.
Yeah,
Oh,
right now.
okay. Not too bad.
Yes, they maybe finish work.
Ah.
Georgi,
Hi. So how,
subscribers.
how many numbers you got?
No,
Are they
No.
legitimate numbers?
I did not count.
if every day you need count always.
So your phone is all full of numbers. Where you guys heading?
No, I just walk.
Oh, walking around.
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
eating that way.
Thank you for watching.
Sure. I'll watch when I go back to Singapore.
Well,
About-
come back to Singapore.
I'm going back on the 23rd. And 30th I'm coming back here again. Because my friends from Malaysia, they call me saying they're coming. So yeah, I just come with them.
Now easy to go from Singapore to.
Yeah, just do the e-arrival and just about it.
Yeah. But in Singapore don't have same street. Don't have. Or maybe more high price.
No, we don't have go-go bars.
Don't have bars.
The bars, no go. Yeah, they have. You just buy them drink and that's it. You can't bar find them, no. Not in Singapore. So we all come here.
Not Pattaya, better Angeles. Also Pattaya.
It's like 10 times or 20 times bigger than this, right? But every street is bar.
Yeah, no, Pattaya so big.
But Pattaya is expensive.
You think expensive? More expensive,
Thai
yeah?
baht, yeah.
But here also now 4,000 minimum bar fine.
Yeah.
Even with the Skyfalls bar is minimum 4,000 peso.
Oh, 4,000.
Yeah, already don't have 3,500. Minimum 4.
In Thailand, it's like 5.
5 baht. 5
Baht.
side.
Yeah. Baht.
Double
And
price.
you got to pay bar fine separate.
Also separate, yeah?
Here is together. I think here is like maybe half the price of Thailand if you go to Thailand.
So for you better here, Philippines.
Here because I have a girlfriend.
You come to
Before I go to Pattaya with my friends from Malaysia, they brought me there. I don't even know what is what. So I go back, maybe I work for 1 week and
After 1 week you come back to home, yes?
I think they're staying in Queens Hotel.
Queen's Hotel.
Before we always stay ABC. Then I tell them, hey, Queens is only like 1/3. You stay ABC 1 night, you can stay here 3 nights.
But many hotels is closed right now. Old hotel is closed.
Is it?
Yeah, so many hotels.
Of which we only go to these 2, so the rest we don't go.
Because you want to stay nearby.
Yeah. That's nearby here.
Yeah.
ABC a bit far, like you have to walk.
Yeah. No, of course, if you're not long time. But my friend want to change apartment already.
Staying at the other side, right? I think your video show that what?
Yes.
Barangay, don't know what. And then
No, he already today choose another apartment. Maybe next week we change.
Oh. Where? Is it around here?
No, Candy
Candy.
Candy apartment. Candy
Candy apartment.
Yes.
Prime Asia.
Prime Asia.
Yes. Between Candy and Prime
How much is it? Is it expensive?
18.
18.
Yes. And there 15.
1 month.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not bad. Candy apartment.
No,
I will go to Thailand together with my friends in the March.
Oh, March you're going to?
Yeah. My friends from Europe come to in February. Georgi. Yes,
And
next
then you all
year.
fly together.
Yes, and we fly and come back again. One week maybe, only 1 week. So I take video in Pattaya.
Oh, okay.
Pattaya maybe Gangkon. Okay, one week.
Big?
Yeah.
Everywhere is far. All
Yeah.
the small roads.
Yeah. No, I will take video and I will show also Pattaya.
Yeah, man, I can.
Thank you for watching.
Because I only use my PC for your videos, not the phone. It's too small.
Yeah, same.
I'm old. I cannot see.
Same. I only watch on TV
Oh, okay, good.
because
Okay, I'm heading back here. You are
yes.
guys going?
No, we can walk little bit because I park motor nearby, near Kimchi. Okay, thank you.
Okay, man. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice meeting you. That's fine. How long you want to stay here?
I don't know.
He won't long.
If you have him, you can stay long time. It's okay. We can bring you around. All right, guys.
Alright, bye. Not you don't want red. You like big girls. Big girl, you like big? Oh, ask number if you want.
Big, but not fat.
Not far. Look like you know her. Don't know?
When we go here,
Ага.
she sat in the Kokomos and look at us.
That's why you know.
Yes.
Coffee time? Georgi. Coffee time, yes? So you want outside? What? You cheesecake? А? Cheesecake. 150. I don't have an, you can too, yes too. А вот бета, I don't know.